Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Star Dakota. I'm a partner with SHOPAHS, and today we're going to be going over the best CPU for your budget in 2021. That's right, it's time to start shopping for the best options to upgrade your PC's performance in gaming. However, there's so many different ways to boost your PC's performance that it's easy to get intimidated. Today we're going to be focusing on enhancing your PC's performance with CPUs. Depending on your budget, you need to know the best options for your specific needs. No spared expenses, the best CPU for gaming on the market. The Core i7-8700K. The Core i7-8800K, simply put, is the king of the gaming CPUs as we know. If you have an extra $350 lying around, then what better way to use it than on an awesome CPU? Don't waste any time, just go do it. Notable specs and details. Comfortable 4.7 GHz on all cores, manual overclock at 5 GHz. Intel's low latency ring bus architecture, great for more demanding games and most productivity, and yeah, it's been reported to run hot. Expense compared to other options on the market. Moving on over to the modest PC build, the best affordable options in CPU gaming. The Core i5-8400. For the most part, you shouldn't have any issues running any games released in the past few years. Even more demanding games run without any hiccups in frame rates, which is an essential part of the gaming experience. Many gamers would agree that 720p at 60 FPS really isn't a bad thing, as an alternative to that at 8K at 24 FPS. Notable specs and details. Most gaming performance in its class, if a dedicated graphics card runs with it. Multi-thread performance is strong compared to other CPUs. Most affordable 6-core in the Coffee Lake series, and it does require a new motherboard. Overclocking doesn't warrant much gains. And moving on over to the feet wet budget. The best entry-level CPU for gamers. The AMD Ryzen 3 2200G. If you're finally pulling that trigger of building your first gaming PC, or if you're tired of frame drops on your 8-year-old laptop, this is undoubtedly the easiest decision. Typically priced at a modest $100, which in the computer world really isn't that bad. The Ryzen's affordable for any PC gamer willing to give their PC experience a significant upgrade with this quad-core processor that packs a surprising punch for the price you pay. Notable specs and details. Obviously, it's super affordable. You don't have to get a new motherboard if you already have an AM4. 720p experience is solid with a little to no frame drop. It is incompatible with early drivers, however. Performs optimally with pricey memory. At what stage in the PC building are you? If you already have a current PC build and you're happy with it, let us know what CPU you have in the comments below. Not only are we curious what you have, but maybe this will even help out some other members in the community figure out what they want to do and how they want to go about building a PC. If you've never built a PC before, then go to shopahsgaming.com, and there's so much information on how to build PCs and more. We have CPUs, mouse and keyboard, literally name it in gaming and we have it. We can offer that. And we can definitely make your PC gaming much, much juicier. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Star Dakota, partner with SHOPAHS, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, hit that like button, definitely do subscribe. Other than that, you'll enjoy the rest of your day, night, whoever and wherever you may be. Other than that, you all enjoy the rest of your day.
Are you an influencer and interested in collaborating with SHOPAHS? Well, reach out to us at support@shopahs.com. We'd love to chat.